car quits. Fall! You're watching Mafia TV. We film the hits, we show the real. For the drivers and promoters too. We bring the derby world to you. Still on still, no apologies. This is life in the derby scene.
Full heat number 2. Something. You see that number 13 who just came in, Bruce Murphy out of Bridgeton, New Jersey? That is one lucky man, but you need to pray for him tonight. He was on his way down here tonight. He was in an accident. The car is here. The hauler and the trailer all got totaled. So let's give it up for the number 13, Bruce Murphy, Bridgeton, New Jersey. The man above wanted you to be here tonight, and he needs your support. Let's make his night worthwhile. He didn't have to come, but he chose to come. All right. Is there one more coming out? The 948 out of Bridgeton, New Jersey, Ronnie Lee Sumter III. Out of Denton, Maryland, a little bit west of here, the 118 of Paul Allen. Out of a little town, if you go too fast, you'll get a ticket. The 612, Gary Kennard out of Iowa, Delaware. Is Lucky Colin here? You are signed up for this heat, the number 1 of Lucky Colin out of Harrington. Are you here? We'll give him 30 seconds, or if somebody doesn't say he's rolling. If not, we'll roll with 4. 3 will transfer. Is that correct, Mike? So all you have to do is take 1 out and play dodgeball. Anybody see Lucky coming through? All right, on your call. This is heat number 2, full size. All right, fans, let's count it down on 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Full size heat number 2. Let's go, cars. He lost his suspension on the right side over here. All right, it's done. Ho! Let's hear it for Rick Murphy in the 13.